That is a really weird place to swatch. I'm sorry guys, I just, you know, I felt like it. What's up guys, it's Nicole here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting straight into this because this video might be long. So I went to Thailand and my mom actually wanted a few different lip colors, so we ended up purchasing the whole Huda Beauty kind of set, and it includes 2 of her highlighter palettes, all of these lipsticks here. There's quite a few nudes, but yeah, we've got those. Also have a bunch of lip liners, an eyeliner, foundation, which looks super fake. I mean, come on, that is not even close to the real one. And then we've got these 2 pot things, which I actually have no idea what they are. I think they're kind of like eyeliner, like dip-in eyeliner, but I'm honestly not too sure. It could be an eyebrow thing. I swatched it. It feels really oily. It could be an eyebrow thing. I don't know. Maybe we'll test it on our eyebrows. Okay, so I'm on the Sephora website and this is what the actual foundation looks like, and this is the foundation that it came with. I mean, when I saw this, I was like, that is not foundation. Like, it's probably just like cream with tint on it or in it. But honestly, it looks nothing alike. So I'm going to put my hair up and we're going to get straight into seeing what this foundation looks like. I'm hoping that it's my color. I really don't know. I look a lot lighter on camera. I feel like this is more my skin tone. But it does look a bit dark. So I will turn it down when I put it on. So this is a foundation. It kind of smells like a moisturizer a little bit. I don't know, it smells like a moisturizer to me. It is really thick and it might be a little bit too light for me, but we are going to test it out. Okay, it seems thick coming out of the packaging. Like, it just seems so thick. But then you put it on your face and it doesn't seem thick at all. So that's kind of weird. That seems like enough, right? I mean, it's whatever. It is a bit lighter than me, but you know, we're just going to go with it. So I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm just going to tap this in. I do this with every single foundation that I use. It does actually feel kind of thick and sticky. And I look like a literal clown on camera. Okay, it smells really weird. It doesn't actually smell like moisturizer. I don't really know what it smells like. But I'm honestly going to wash my brush after this because I do not feel good about this foundation. This is literally so oily. And I feel like it just like looks like all the color is gone from this side compared to this side. Like, I blended it in. I do not like this at all. It is so streaky and so just, ugh, like really oily. Oh my god, I actually do not like this at all. I'm going to take this off because I do not feel good about it. Do you guys see what this looks like? Literally looks like an oil slick on my face. I look like I like dipped my head in strobe cream or something, because what is this? Like, look how white it is. Look how oily and streaky it is. No, not a fan. Not a fan. It's coming off my face. That foundation was literally disgusting and I do not approve of it whatsoever. So moving on to the next thing, I'm actually going to go in and try out this eyebrow thing. I really want to try it out. I don't know if it's an eyebrow thing. There's a brown and there is a black. I'm probably going to mix the 2 because I don't know. The brown looks really brown, like really light, and then the black is just solid black. So I'm going to go in and try out the brown first. Of course, have never seen this made by Huda Beauty, so I honestly don't know what it is, but we're going to test this out. Maybe it is an eyebrow thing. It kind of feels like one. I don't think I'm going to need to use the black. I mean, this isn't the right color for me, but it's dark. Like, it's actually pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with the black, and this is probably gonna go wrong. Yeah, this is really dark. And again, it's making my eyebrows look really oily. Like, I don't know why. It needs to come off. Like, honestly, what is on my face? I've got a giant slug on my face, but it's not too bad. Like, it actually does the job. Honestly, it honestly does the job. It's just the wrong colors. Like, who is gonna put straight up black on their eyebrows? I actually do think that was an eyebrow product. It doesn't look too bad from afar, but when you go close up, it just looks like so oily, and you can literally, like, you think that they're just black moustaches stuck onto your face kind of thing, you know, because it is black and the brown is just too bright. Okay, so moving on to the eyeliner. This is the eyeliner pencil here in black, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got the Huda Beauty logo, and then it says black eyeliner pencil. And I kind of don't really want to put this on my eye waterline, so I'm just gonna put it right at the top and see how it is. I'm not good at doing my eyeliner, so don't judge me, honestly. I mean, it seems really easy to put on. Like, it definitely has pigment. It definitely works. It feels creamy. It feels like it just glides straight on, but I just really don't want to put this on my waterline. I did do it really thick though. Okay, so the eyeliner, definitely easy to use. It looks weird, I'm sorry. I'm not good at doing my eyeliner, but it definitely works. It slid on really easy. It was like really smooth and creamy feeling, and it actually works. It has pigment, you guys can see. So the eyeliner, I actually really like. It actually works. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for the eyeliner. Okay, moving on to the two highlighter palettes. I've got the Huda, oh wait, they both say the same thing, literally, Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, but they are different slightly. They kind of do look a little bit similar. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Okay, so this one has these shades Fiji, Tahiti, Seychelles, and Zanzibar in it. And this is what this one looks like. And then this one has Capri, Santorini, Azores, and Ibiza. I don't know if I'm pronouncing them right, but they look pretty similar. The colors are actually, yeah, really similar, as you guys can see. There's just slight differences in some of the colors, but this is what it looks like. This is the top, is the back. So they are different palettes slightly, but they're not, you know, that different. I'm going to swatch them for you guys so you guys can see. So I might literally just swatch them here, not even going to lie. Yeah, okay, so this is Fiji. As you can see, it's got a slight highlight to it, but it is really like powdery and kind of streaky. You still have to kind of blend it out, but that is Fiji. The next one is Seychelles, which is this. Again, very powdery. We've got that one there. It definitely does blend out into a highlight. Like, I can actually see it shining. The next one is Tahiti, which is this one here. That one's a little bit darker. It's more like a bronzy kind of shade and more for darker skin tones, which is really nice. I actually really like that color. Wow. The next one is this one here, which is Zanzibar, which is kind of like a blush, like a highlight blush. What is with these colors? Can you see that? I'm gonna do that again because you guys can't see that, but like, they do shimmer. They do really work. I can see the shimmer happening. And I mean, moving on to this palette here. Wow, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna take this little fan brush here and see if it actually works with a brush. I'm gonna take Capri, I guess, which is this one here. I'm gonna just, ooh, the kickback, the fallout with a brush was insane. Can you see how much is on there? Oh man, that's insane. I'm gonna just put some over here. Is it even working? What? I don't know. I'm gonna try, let's try a different brush. This is the brush I usually use for highlight, so I'm gonna try that out. The kickback is a lot less with that brush, so this brush, so I mean, probably use this. It's working. Wow, that's super pretty. I really like it. I am enjoying the highlights. I like it. Okay, moving on to the lip products. So I actually don't want to swatch these on my arm as well because these really stick. They are actually so hard to get off, and I really think that there is glue or something in them, to be honest with you guys. They're so hard to get off, and I just, you know, I don't want to put that on my arm because I feel like it'll last a whole week and look ridiculous. So I'm going to swatch them on a piece of paper for you guys, and also going to swatch the lip liners on a piece of paper with them so that you guys can see the two next to each other. And honestly, I don't know if I would recommend these just because of what's in them, and I don't know, I just feel like the real deal is obviously always better. It's super hard to get off, and I don't know, it makes me scared to put on my lips because they are so hard to get off, and I just don't want to rip my lips off trying to rub them off. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys swatches of these. So with the lipsticks, I feel like they were really pigmented, and so were the lip liners. The only thing is that when I was swatching them, they were really hard to swatch. The actual lipsticks were, I don't know, I feel like the applicator was really hard. Like, I don't know, it's got a sponge on it, but I just feel like it was really hard. Like, I don't know, when I was swatching it, you'll see, but yeah, it just felt really hard and really rough to actually swatch. But they were actually really pigmented, and yeah, I just think they're really hard to get off your lips as well. With the lip pencils, they're really creamy, they were really easy to swatch, but the first one I swatched actually did break, so that's great. But yeah, overall they were really pigmented as well. So yeah, overall I think that these products are okay. They're not the best, and you should definitely get the real ones because they are actually really pigmented and really crazy amazing. I've seen reviews on them, so yeah, I definitely do recommend you purchase the real ones. You do not know what are in these fake products, so yeah, I just wanted to test them out for you guys. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below to see more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.